Good morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng creamy carbonara. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Okay ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 200 grams na bacon. Hiniwa ko na siya into maliliit. Meron tayo ditong 500 grams na pasta. Ang ginamit ko ay yung linguine pasta. As you can notice, flat at medyo malapad siya ka-friendship. At niluto ko na siya into package direction. Okay, meron tayo ditong isang kutsarang butter, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, meron tayo ditong cheese, cheddar cheese yung ginamit ko ka-friendship, in the sense na wala tayong parmesan cheese. Okay, meron tayo ditong 115 grams na mushroom, meron tayo ditong 370 ml na evaporated milk, 250 ml na all-purpose cream, and meron tayo ditong 200 grams na carbonara sauce at 3 paketeng gagamitin natin. And of course, gagamit tayo ng salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay ka-friendship, what we're going to do next, sa isang preheated pan, maglagay tayo ng konting cooking oil, which I forgot to mention kanina. Konti lang ka-friendship. And then, ipiprito natin yung ating bacon. Ayan, hayaan na lang muna natin ang ating bacon sa friendship hanggang sa maluto siya or maging golden brown. Balikan natin siya later. Ka-friendship, ayan na po, luto na yung ating bacon. So, set aside na lang muna natin siya. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, sa the same pan at sa the same cooking oil, magdagdag tayo ng butter. And then, idagdag at susutay natin yung ating garlic. Pwede na natin isunod yung ating sibuyas. Ayan. Saka yung ating mushroom. At this point, friendship, pwede na natin ilagdag ang ating carbonara sauce. Pakete sila ka-friendship. Give a good mix ka-friendship. Ayan, halo lang natin mabuti. At this point, ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating evaporated milk. Mix lang natin. Ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating all-purpose cream. So, ayan. Ang ating cheese. And then, season natin ng salt and pepper. So, ayan na siya ka-friend chef. Mix lang natin ulit very well. Point ka friend chef, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating linguine pasta. So, ayan. Oops. Mix lang natin very well ka friend chef hanggang mag-incorporate yung ating sauce at ang ating pasta. So, ayan. Very creamy siya ka friend chef. Lagyan natin ng bacon. Kalahati lang muna dahil i-garnish natin ang kalahating part ng bacon natin later. So, ayan. Give a good mix again. So, ayan na po ka-friend chef, luto na yung ating creamy carbonara. So, ready for serving na siya. Ka-friend chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating creamy carbonara. Okay, so garnish natin siya ng bacon. Ayan. More bacon. Ayan. And then, dagdagan natin ng cheese. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friend chef. Ang ating creamy carbonara. Okay ka-friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating creamy carbonara for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember, the world always looks brighter if you begin and end your day with a smile. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless.